On here, here's going to be our first lesson on Codeorg. So generally in these lessons, I'm going to have a quote in the beginning. So here it is. It is better to light a candle than to complain about the darkness. Or Herzog. And so, I mean, I just put these quotes in here just so you guys could kind of think about life a little bit more than just maybe this elective or school in general. So just take a moment, think about what it means to light a candle. It's better to complain. All right, so, let's see, I'll click here. So today we're going to start using Codeorg. That's going to be where we do most of our coding in the beginning of the school year. We're going to be using a lot of block code, but to introduce programming, I'm going to be using a game you might have heard of. So let's take a look. So we're going to be getting our Angry Birds to get to the little piggies, the green piggies. So programming with Angry Birds. Let's go ahead and watch a quick short video.
Today, we're going to learn to program using a drag and drop language called Blockly. Blockly uses colorful instructions called blocks to build programs that you can use to solve puzzles. Under the hood, you're still creating code. Each puzzle you'll solve with the code is split into 4 main parts. On the left is the play area, where your program will run. In the center, you will see the toolbox area that holds all the blocks that you will need for each puzzle. To the right is your workspace, where you will drag blocks to build your program. Finally, above the workspace, you will see the specific instructions for each puzzle. Don't worry if you accidentally drag out a block that you don't need. If you have an extra block, simply drag it back into the toolbox to put it away. After you hit run, you can always hit the reset button to get your character back to the start so you can try again.
So here's some vocabulary you'll need to know. In block coding, you're basically going to be creating a list of tasks to finish. And so that's called an algorithm. And so you're going to be taking each block and just putting it in a specific order. So that's the second vocabulary word, sequencing, putting commands in correct order so a computer can read the commands. All right, so things you're going to want to do in this lesson is to take your Angry Bird and get to the pig. And so if we look here, this Angry Bird needs to move forward 2 times. So in your code, you will say move forward 2 times. So it's going to be as easy as that. Things you might want to try is this repeat block. It's a pink looking block. And so you would choose a number in this question mark. So you could say repeat 3 times or repeat 4 times, whatever number you choose in here, you'll go ahead and repeat that code. So for example, if I wanted to move my Angry Bird 2 times forward, I could say move forward, and I could use 2 different blocks to do that. But instead, you could also use a repeat block, which will be this pink one, and say repeat 2 times, and inside there say move forward. So it will move forward 2 times. Okay. Try to get your puzzles done in the least amount of blocks. So here you can see that you finished your code in 8 lines. So keep track of looking at that at the end. It'll also have an all-time total that will add up as the year goes on. You can see right now I have 5,239. I'll leave it at that for now. If you finish early, go ahead and try these challenge puzzles. So these are bonus levels that you could try to get the Angry Bird to the piggy. And when you're done, take a screenshot of your completed lesson and upload it into Canvas. So you should see a page like this where it says completed. Once you finish the last lesson, I want to be able to see that you completed all of the lessons with your name somewhere on there. All right, good luck.